tray underneath the seat in front of you, and your laptops and devices of similar size can be placed under the seat in front of you as well, and we'll let you know as soon as you can use them again. Thanks a bunch. Your safety is always our #1 priority, so please give us your attention while we walk you through this plane's safety features. And please follow along, if you like, with the safety information card is in your seat back pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all lighted information signs, posted placards, and especially crew member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. Now, to buckle your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle, and please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap even when the seatbelt sign is off. Have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, clip the buckle and pull on the strap to tighten, and as you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the plane. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits. There are 2 doors in the front, 4 doors mid-cabin, and 2 doors in the back. And each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. The slides at the front and back of the aircraft can be detached and used as ramps. An additional ramp is located mid-cabin. Now, in the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead, and lights on the floor will also guide you to the exits. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember, it just might be behind you. Now, if there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, and then pull the elastic band around your head and tighten with the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others, and we'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about this plane's safety features, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming down the aisle for one last check before departure, so you can all help us in legs and read the paper and forget to log it. So if you hear a scream, don't be alarmed, it's okay. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. If you're gonna sleep, snoring could only be at like a 2.5. If you get carried away, we'll just come and give you a gentle nudge. But welcome everybody to the loo.
Takeoff.
invite you to